they can't see it that well. Niall! Okay. Stop! Okay, so guys, I built this little obsidian thing right over here.
Guys, you're trying to make the door obsidian, but
obsidian doesn't push. So, black wall door, obsidian, crying obsidian.
But the creeper could,
I know. I only put the obsidian walls because a creeper exploded at first, and something that I added dripped down and ruined everything. So now, let's press the lever of joy and open up.
What if the creeper explodes the redstone?
Now, look
What if the creeper...
at you! Guys, look! Of course I had to go back in the nether and get way more
You
quartz.
took the dirt out of here, I think it'll look better.
No, I covered the redstone with the dirt. I purposely put the dirt here because I covered some of the redstone. Guys, what?
But what if the creeper explodes the redstone signal?
He won't. Guys, he won't. I've got, this is the thing that was dripping down that was chocolate. Of course I did.
Guys, I'm gonna rip this out of its shell.
Oh my gosh, I don't care.
They care.
They don't.
See? It's out of their shell. That's it.
Okay, Niall, they don't care. Okay, but guys, of course I had to go back in the nether and get way more quartz because this just wasn't enough quartz, as much as I had. So now, let's press the lever. Guys, we had...
What if it looked very bad.
How does it look bad? The dirt is to cover the redstone.
If you put something else, like...
No, that would not. I want this to look as natural as it can. Guys, you come down here. Of course, I needed to go back in the nether to get way more quartz because that just wasn't enough. Press the lever.
I think you said that so much 3 times already.
Oh yeah, I've said that way too many times. We've got redstone over here. Of course, if you drop down, there's gonna be water. Even though I literally lose like 3 health. We've got some chests in there. We've got lights in there. We've got a light over here that automatically is on. I'm going to have to add furniture, and I'm going to do that in this video. But up here, there's the exit that I made.
That looks stupid too.
It does not look stupid. Press the lever, and it opens. And basically, to close it, you're going to have to time it, and you might suffocate. But then you can, like, get out of there. Let's see, I didn't make it in time. Now I'm stuck like this. What am I going to do? Well, that's simple. You're just going to mine this. So now, see, but you can just escape like this. So that's why I put these 2 dirt blocks over here.
There should be a red outside or you could turn on.
Basically,
But you're not smart enough. Guys, there's gonna be an upcoming video on my channel.
come on! I should not be doing this with dirt in my hands.
You should be not doing this with
I clicked.
click here.
Okay, what the heck? You know what? I don't flipping care at this point. I'll just try. One last, yeah, I don't care. Just leave it on. Just leave it on at this point. I don't really care. Oops. Yep, we need that over there. And yeah, we need this. I don't know where we need this up. I don't know.
Guys!
Yeah.
Guys, banana unana.
There. Let's just open this back up.
Banana
unana. Fully working exit out of here too. So basically, I wasn't gonna make the furniture in this video. I'm sorry if I said that. I was just showing my progress in this video. Wait. Okay. And plus, I'm gonna be throwing all my trash. I'm gonna be trying to throw it. Does it go into the portal?
I think it does.
Wait. Tell me I did not just Okay, no more. No, it goes in the porter. Okay, yeah. Let's just throw all the trash I've got. Oh, it actually does not go in the portal.
No, you don't throw it exactly up.
Maybe now? Yeah, it went. It definitely went into the portal.
Go in the portal. Don, do you want to see Charles fight the Nether again? But you could see his reactions.
I don't know. Maybe if this video gets 10 likes. I'm not asking for
We're
much.
not even popular YouTubers.
What is this? Huh. Weird. I
Guys,
don't remember.
Start of Panzer's videos.
Of course. Oh.
Child!
Get me out of here. I need to dig a tunnel out of
How
here.
did you get in then?
I'm panicking too much to get back to where I got in. Oh! Snap! Get me out! Why is it?
Go where you got in! What are you doing?
I thought the lava would have spread here by now. Okay, wow. Let me out. I know where the lava came from now.
Should not bring that. You block it out somehow.
Yeah. Whoa!
What?
A creeper explosion. Come here.
Don't come.
He just opened my turtle cage! Oh, now it's on, buddy. I'm not. Nope. I'm
Let
going
your
to-
turtles get out.
What?
Let your turtles get out.
Let my turtles get out? No.
What if your turtles get out?
I know, that's what I'm trying. I don't have any leftover glass. I spent it all on that
Go to
stupid
sleep,
thing.
go to sleep, go to sleep.
Oh no, bro. I
Go
don't
to sleep.
You know what? I don't really need these turtles anymore.
Child.
But I want them anyways.
One of yours is almost out. One of yours is almost out. You're not getting
Come
out.
here, bro.
Just kill him. He doesn't need to be alive.
No, I need him. At least I don't need him. I want
Just
him.
go to sleep.
Come here.
You pushed him.
No, I didn't. He's fine.
Now you're not fine.
I'm not fine. Whoa.
Oh, why doesn't leave here?
Okay, where am I?
What the lava?
My chest? Oh yeah, that's my chest of netherite.
Let me
Into here. Wait, what? Where do I go? Yes, it leads me.
No, I think this is a lava area.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Why are you digging more? Go through the exit that you came out of.
What is
No,
this?
you don't need to explore that. Look!
Oh yeah.
Your turtle's probably out.
Where is he?
Just throw him down the cave. Throw him down the cave.
Whoa!
Did you hear anything?
I don't know.
Your turtle's alive, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's alive, but it need dada.
Is it alive?
Yeah,
How do you know?
because we saw the green feathers.
Wait.
No.
Okay, he better be alive. Where is he? No. Don't tell me. He can't be.
He's in there, he's in there.
He's not in there. I know how he looks like. What? But I feel like I saw his hands.
Yeah.
He has to be fine.
I'm hoping.
But a zombie could have killed him.
I think he's alive.
He must be.
He's alive, but he went somewhere.
No, he has to be like. He must have just gone back.
Yeah, I think he just got back.
Yeah, there he is. I think.
Yeah, that's him.
Why does he always want to leave? Bro, don't leave me. him. A zombie.
Style! Your turtle will go anywhere!
He's fine.
He's gonna die!
No, he won't. If I protect him, he won't.
You'll burn this. Are you leaving him by his own?
Come here, skeleton.
Are you leaving him with his own? He went in the water. No, he went in the zombie water!
I know. Wait, what? No, he went in the zombie water. Oh no. Come here. Come here. Oh, he didn't go in the zombie water.
So close.
Wait, didn't I kill the zombie? I should. There, he's dead. Damn.
Shall go to sleep. This all will go to sleep.
Wait, I need to take a picture. I need to make a thumbnail pic. Actually, okay. All I need is a screenshot.
Oh, do I stay like this?
I don't know. You can do it if you want.
He got it.
He
got it!
No, I didn't. Here. Whenever I do that, it brings me to. You know what? This is trash.
Go to sleep.
Let's take. Oops, I don't want. Okay, let's do that again, guys. This is how I make my thumbnail pictures. There. Now we've got a picture of me like that. We're gonna do this type of snap. And now we got this. And I'm basically just gonna come over here and save the picture.
Was I in there?
Right over here to make it, no, my face. Lala. I'm gonna save it at equals Lala. No, I'm gonna actually save it as la 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 Lala. Lala is how it's saved.
No, I'm asking Lala.
Now,
Did you stop recording?
no, I did not stop.
Look.
The heck? Oh, there it is.
You stopped recording. Look.
No, I didn't. It just disappears sometimes.
Protector turtle.
Come here, buddy. Go in the water. I'll put him in the waters.
What if a zombie goes in there again?
Zombies rarely go in there. Now look, it's so joyful.
Yeah.
With this chicken who's I'm gonna kill.
What?
Oh. Hello, buddy. I remember you. You know, I should really.
Block it off.
Where is it? Yeah, I'm gonna come back real quick. I have a hat.
Hold up the tree. I want to show you something. Hold up the tree.
Move! You guys might have gotten a face reveal of my sister. Maybe. Rarely, maybe. Comment down below if you saw her face. And I will definitely heart it if you did. What the heck? Bro, leave. Go back.